After weeks of intensive investigations into the death of 34-year-old woman in Nkoroi village, Kajiado County, detectives have arrested 8 family members who live where the body of the deceased was found, lying lifeless during a visit to the home. Her in-laws claimed that the deceased committed suicide, but the autopsy report paints a different picture. Even as the family of Pricila Wangechi is coming to terms with the reality and finality of her death, police in Ngong are now investigating a case of murder as opposed to the one which was recorded after the deceased met her death. The government pathologist found that the deceased died after much pressure was exerted on her chest, and she also had signs of double strangulation. Investigation have revealed that there was a frantic effort to tamper with the scene of crime. The deceased was defaced too. Those arrested over the murder of Pricila Wangechi are his father-in-law, mother-in-law, brothers and sisters-in-law, who police believe colluded to take the life of deceased, who was 6 months pregnant of twins at a time she was killed. Police had asked the court to grant them 14 days to gather more evidence against the suspects.
So detained at Ongata Rongai police station.
However, Ngong Chief Magistrate Stephen Mbogi said 3 days were enough since the suspects are not likely to interfere with their investigation.
That's mine.
The suspects' phones were confiscated for purpose of gathering their communication before Pricila was murdered. The family of the deceased hopes that the findings by police will lead to the perpetrators being brought to book. They are, however, apprehensive about why she was killed. Steve Juma, NTV.